Hi Divination, this is Aless Design, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up your product page. By default, this is the way it looks like. It's two column. Here it's the product itself. Here is the additional information, and we have related products. And on the right you have a card, you have category and recently viewed product. We have designed three different designs for the product page. This is the first one. It's two column again, but as you can see here the sidebar it's bigger, the text it's lighter, and it's much more easy to navigate. We start with a card, categories, a small banner. On the right we have the product itself and all needed information. And here we have the reviews, and of course on the bottom we have related products. The second design, it's again two columns. On the right you have the card, you have the categories, you have a banner, and on the left you have the product itself and the additional information, and in the bottom you have related products. The third and last design is full width. Here you have no sidebars, just the product and the needed information. And of course we have the related products. In this tutorial I'm going to use this design when we have the left sidebar. So to assign this design to all your products, go to Divi and Theme Builder. Here you can see all the designs for all pages in your website and search for the shop page. Next to it we have three designs. Actually, these are the three designs for the shop page we have created for you. And as I said, I will use the first one. If you are not sure which design replies to designs we have created and shown in the demo website, to check it out, click here on the pencil and wait to design to load up. This is how you will find out which design looks like. Yes, and this is the design we want to use in our shop page. Don't touch anything here, it's already set up. Just open it to see if this is the right design and click the X button. And to assign this particular design, click here on the gear and search for all products. Make yes and click save, then save changes and go to your product page. This is the default, and refresh the page to see if the changes are applied. Yes, they are. Now our product page looks much more better, much more professional, clean. Let's check it out with another product if to see everything it's okay. Yes, it is. It looks just amazing. And now I'm going to show you one more thing. Here in the bottom you have all products category pages, which means this page. This is automatically assigned, so you don't have to do anything about it. Just I want to show you. So this is the page your customers will look when they browse through products in just one category. If I go to category number 2, number 3, only the products from this category will show up here. As you can see, the page is nice, clean, only the products, nothing to distract your customers. Thank you, Divination. That was it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for our next tutorials.